face up, get your wake up. Fake love, fakes up, niggas dicks up, put your sticks up for the motherfucking princess. Rates up, chicks up, put your dicks up, get your dicks up, put your motherfucking sticks up. Dates up, that stuff, nigga pay up, get your rates up for the motherfucking. With the motherfucking money in my motherfucking hands. Just one word about the MV. Legit. Legit. Title ng music, Nissan Altima. Don't bother, bitch, you notice me like don't you delulu, you a loose screw. Sure the kidding con and a pussy voodoo. She's up the old for the bitch in Uno. She munching on the box while she watching Hulu. Hey! Papalitan ko na po yung user. Go! Rates up, chicks up, put your dicks up, get your dicks up, put your motherfucking sticks up. Base up, that stuff, nigga pay up, get your rates up for the motherfucking princess. Sakit naman sa eyes yung music video ma. Aba! Kumalma ka. Enjoy mo na lang. Parang hindi mo naman alam na I think bisexual? Yeah, bisexual si Bethany girl. Super sexy nyo na po. Like how po? Like I don't know. It's T. Like another J. O. B. Back like a Chucky bride from the afterlife. Nothing nice to say Antichrist. This a bloody night, bloody right. You go fantasize, but I say your life. In my thighs, got a spooky drive for your appetite. You turn them on when I'm all alone. Baby moon, and you call my phone. I'm a 50's pussy with that. Yeah, baby, get this pussy phone. Anywhere only, but I'm a hot foaming. If this the wizard of us, I'm wicked rich of the west. You shuffling up them cars, I'm at it. Ano ginagawa mo? I am doing something. I feed it to the max. You're whining, whining, whining. You're violent. I love you. Thank you. Love the sound trip. Thank you. Kaya na pa ako nagja-jazz eh. Medyo masakit na yung ulo ko sa jazz eh. So gusto ko muna na may mga words. Minsan kailangan natin yung tugtugan, may mga words tayo naririnig. You don't get it, you regret it, Gucci vegan, it's a veggie, come and eat this Gucci dressing, I am Doji, I am legend, also you just get the message, you got deep and bitch and trust it, you PS it, I'm too young to be this present, bitch, you bitch, shit you up, to my fucking legend, test and I spin fast, I'll make you quit. Said your music, keep it close, when I'm in the studio, such a bitches in your bedding, such a mammy and your daddy at your wedding, I'll be waiting, I'll be ready, disappear like I'm a Yeti, I go off like DMS, Mr. Rock like EDS, you next, I don't come to play off X. When I rap, I step on next. My birthday like a CX. They book me like a SOS. I told them once, I guess I tell them twice. I'm in it for the ride. It won't be dead, but I still do it in another life. Yes, babe. Siyempre, bago mo pa mapakinggan yan at bago mo pa mapanood yan, siyempre, meron na tayong privilege para mauna. Ay! Kaya naman pala, wala na pala akong... Thank you, 30 seconds. What's 30 seconds? Let's refill some... It's just my ultimate. It's just my ultimate. It's just my ego. My ultimate. It's just my ultimate. It's just my ultimate. It's just my ego. Kita nyo ba? Parang ang bilis mo pumayat, ma. Isang taon, be? Mabilis? How? Maybe you just found out about me at this state, but I've been in this journey for a year, darling. Kung alam mo lang ang struggle. It's not that easy. There are a lot of weeks na tuwing titimbang ako, walang nangyayari. Pero, ganun talaga. Hey girl!
You know, it's been a little minute since you and I have had a chat. Probably since like your last EP or the picture ago. Oh wow. Yeah. I've been getting some calls. People are a little bit worried about you. And I know that was kind of that outlet for you. So why don't you just tell me what's been going on?
Okay. Remember old for 2019, 19, dirtier than laundry, just to get a DM from his wife. I was so confused, what should don't you do? She didn't know about me and I didn't know about Sue. I opened up the messages, I had to hit the Zoom. Was really a dude? I moved on a couple of songs and then sign I was 2021.
Okay, I just feel like this is the perfect opportunity.
Wait lang.
Just take a second and kind of unpack what's happened.
Okay.
You know, this guy cheated on you and
Nah, fuck it. Bible record that I'm making so much money, I'm all over the net. Wrist wrap, music what's super busy. Ano ba gagawin? Gagawa tayo ng bag. Fast forward me 2023. She's making money. I'm going to a lot.
by a lot, you mean drugs. Drugs. No?
Etc.
No, I'm not judging. I'm just saying. You want to talk about it?
I mean, fuck. I like pills. I like drugs. I like getting money. I like strippers. I like to fuck. Shit, snorted Hollywood. And I felt love at an all-time low. All I own. Oopsie, but oopsie, for heart attack. I ain't a kiddo, but to push me. In a soup beans. Hello.
Okay, Doshi. We don't want to revert back into our old ways. So we're going to try a breathing exercise, okay? When I breathe, you breathe. Alright? Let's go.
With honors ako. Hey! Congrats!
Sabog. Tapos na ba ang exam ng mga sangkatauhan? Or exam week pa rin? Exam week pa rin ba?
Right away, cause we had to ride away. Bye, flying fast and fly away. Chop chop at a cool pasta when I hop up on a display. Look at my feet right now when I just walk out of my bed. Fix my hair and fix my makeup all the way. Bound to the next stop, bound for the great, make a bow right to the X. I'm the judge and jury, I don't wanna hear it. I'm the one to fear it, keep it on the low. This is automated, I'm the motivated. Told my head to show me on the area. Let it go with a big mouth, small group with a big house, yeah. Big watch on my wrist now, I just slow, not flow, not just now. Put a little more down for the bus down, went on the bus into the bus down, everything custom now. Friends rationale, secret of the push me. 48 lots of power, let it go with a big motor on the cable. I don't wanna hit you this hard on the intro, bring that bounce like 6'4". Find me in Tokyo, rapping in the skin. Whoa. Drop up, lean on Addy, that's where I go. Rip the show and that's all I know. I'm supervision. Y'all just built on superstitions. Watch me do. Woke up looking like this. Whoa. Whoa. XGALX. Investing in the shit. Mother wolf. Don't make fun of my kids.
Song title, Woke Up.
Party, party, high. Laughing at them while we blast away. Black on black outfits all packed away.
C to the OC, oh that's me, Lord of Mercy. Young queen but I act like an enemy. Young blood but I'm built like an OG. Gotta wait for the bags, looking real fit for the mags. Pack. Thank you sa follow. Juring Chisa, Hinata, Harvey, Julia, Maya, Kokona, XG! Super fan. Sabi ko nga, imamakina na lang natin eh. Bakit ko baka naisip kamayin? Bobards, okay na. You don't have to keep on sharing it. Come on, stop. You don't need to keep on sharing that. Thank you though. Okay na yun. Work it saucing like I do. Work it flossing like I do. All this has up in my jeans. You can get up in between. And you get a piece of me. I can teach you a couple things. Pocket. You're looking at me. And I can give you no choice. If I count to 3. Yeah, you've been on your knees. You wrap from my head like a Cartier. You can get the stickers out of your mind. Said he loved it, stuffy, toppy. He's so goofy, call me daddy. He goes stupid, I introduce me to his daddy. What's going on? Cause my Lord, I'm messing. Market boss and like I do. Market boss and like I do. Bakit kinakagat? Ano meron? Wait lang. All this up in my jeans, you can get a piece of me. Have you been to Hawaii? No, never been. Would love to though, someday, why not? Paano ka naka-verified? Ilang taon na akong verified, darling. Ay, hindi ko gets yan. Why do a lot of you are asking, and shocked that I am verified? Ang dami nagtatanong. Like, verified ka na, Mi? Oo, ilang taon na. 3 taon na akong verified. What's the tea? Anong meron? Big deal ba? Like, is it something unusual? Kasma. I don't get that. I'm baffled. I really am confused and baffled about that. Like, a lot of people are asking, why am I verified? And like, how? Nag-apply ako ng verification. Hindi ka naman basta-basta magiging verified dito, di ba? Like, you have to apply. I don't get that. I am baffled. Wait lang. I can't. Ganda ng red purple wig sa likod mo. Red purple wig. This one, that's pink. This is ito ba? Ginger and pink. Ilang days ka din nag-live? 2. Oh, okay lang yun. Minsan naman ma-miss nyo ako. Tsaka ang dami kong ginagawa. Ang dami kong ginagawa. Like, hindi pa nga siya tapos eh. Nakakayamot na nga eh. Pero okay lang. Kasi dapat tutuloy ko siya today. Kaya lang, wala talaga na may mental block talaga ako, girl. Like, I can't think of anything to make this gown work. So, pahinga muna natin. Salamat. Ba't ang payat mo ngayon? 1 taon na po ako nagpapapayat. Yeah. Baka ngayon nyo lang po ako natagpuan ulit. Kamusta yung corset with liquid satin? Can we see po? Sure! Of course! Of course! Of course, of course! Proud na proud ako dito, eh! Like, it's so good. I'm proud of this. Supposed to be like that. So, nasa gown na ako. Ngayon ang problema ko, yung gown is medyo na-stuck ako sa gown kasi ano lang naman 90% na akong tapos, pero yung 10% kasi is like aligning and detailing, and I am not, wala ako sa wisyo para pagtuunan yung mga minute details. Ito na naman si TikTok, nagpakita lang ng gamit, akala mo naman nagbebenta, wow. Ayan, so tayo ngayon ay gagawa ako ng bag May idea ko ba kung sino ito? Si Prince. Amerika eh. Sa Amerika pupunta. Papadala ko sa Amerika eh. Like marijuana. How does it feel to be you? PPN. Pwede. O nga no. Struggle. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko tatayin. How does it feel to be? Kasi yung iba matagal ma-verified sa mga sockmeds nila. Kasi feeling ko kailangan, kasi the reason why kasi mabilis ako ma-verify, I think, was because I have a lot of articles from season 1 and videos and interviews. Isa kasi yun sa mga hihingi na legitimacy for you to be verified. So I think that's one of that. And I think a lot of creators are struggling with that. Kasi I remember I sent a lot of links to articles, website, interviews, videos for legitimacy of verification. What's that? I am making a lettering. Hello. Oy mga be, hello 99 viewers. Kung wala kayong gagawin tomorrow night, watch naman kayo sa Rampa. May show ako doon. O ayan ha, sa mga nagtatanong kung saan kailan next show ko, ayan, bukas. Tara sa Rampa. Lika na naman na kayo kaman na. Lika na, lika na. Saang place mo? What do you mean place? Like my house? No, darling. Sorry. I'm from Taguig City, but my exact place is something private information, darling. Me, who are you rooting for? 17. I'm rooting for Lexi and Onya. Mainly Onya. Second si Lexi and then Jules. Pa-congrats naman po, sinabihan ako ng sinabihan po ako ng 2 medal. Ay! Sinabihan o sinabitan? Sinabitan ka, Joyce? Or sinabitan? Oh, congrats, bebe! Anong medal yan, Joyce? Congrats, Joyce! What's up? If you put it down, I'ma pick it up, up, up. What it is, ho, What's up? What's up? With high honors po, top 1. Ah! Top 1! Ah! Congratulations, babe. Top 1. That's so cool. Congrats, darling. Para sa yung tinatahi ko. It's a commissioned work, so may gusto kasi akong bilhin eh, kaya tinanggap ko na. May kailangan kasi akong bilhin, kaya tinanggap ko na. So, yon. Kawawa naman eh. Kumain ka na? No, I'm good. Thank you sa follow. And we put it down and I'ma pick it up. Pop, pop. Matapos mo na yung red corset? Yes! Kanina napakita ko. What it is home? What's up? If you put it on, I'ma pick it up. What's up? Hello? Ay, may pinaghahandaan. Ako? Oo, may pinaghahandaan ako. Pwede patingin? Ano? Pwede patingin? Kakadating ko lang po. Yung alin? Yung red corset. Maya-maya, wait lang, be. Wow. Kalma lang, be. Super busy me these days. Aren't we all? Aren't we all? We are busy.
Give me cheek, give me purr, give me meow, give me her, give me fun, give me rights, give me fight, give me nerve, give me cunt, let me serve. Let me out, let me in. Knocking doors down, got the keys to the bench. In the boardroom looking bored, cause I'm not here for pleasing the men. Not here to reason with them.
Bye, Joyce. Congrats, Joyce, ha? Thank you sa follow. Thank you sa follow. Follow nyo rin ako sa IG, guys. Same name lang. Follow nyo rin ako sa IG, Turing Quinto. Same name. Everyone. Shigamet. I love watching all the time. Sino? Who? You love watching what? Who? Where? Para saan po ba yan? Okay lang na... Hindi mo naman kailangan malaman, B. Ba't kailangan mo malaman? Gumagawa lang ako. Okay na yun. Okay na, may tinatahi ako, gumagawa ako ng bag. Okay na yun. Kailangan bang malaman mo lahat ng detalye, be? May nag-comment na bawal manahi sa gabi. Hala. O go. Titigil ko to, pahingin pera. Tapos pa-explain na lang din sa pagbebentahan ko nito kung bakit hindi ko siya tinapos today. Kayo maniwala dun, be. Mga pamahiin na yan, di totoo yan. Mugunga ko chupi sa midanong koko, sumamori karatuela. Mugunga ko chupi sa midanong koko, sumamori karatuela. Ta ajinalay. All eyes on me nata. Jiga molina ni mara. Shipke alun pajimara. You can't kill me aljana. Mugunga ko chupi sa midanong koko, sumamori karatuela. Mugunga ko chupi sa midanong koko, sumamori karatuela. Ang gawa mo, eto, nagsusulse. Come again, copy, tonal tare bayo, pare. All eyes on me, ata. Jiga molina ni mara. Shike hand.